Are you planning to build an outdoor fireplace? Get inspired by 40 plus of the most beautiful brick fireplaces we've found for you. Sitting in the garden, grilling, sipping beer or wine, and, most importantly, spending time with friends are everyone's favorite summer activities. Check out 40 plus enchanting inspirations for your new garden fireplace. Take a look at the best ideas and tips for brick or concrete garden fireplaces and grills, from which you will surely find one to suit your needs. Is a brick fireplace or a portable grill better for you? A brick fireplace is more demanding to build. A reinforced concrete foundation is very important. Such fireplaces are most often part of the house, where this is considered during construction, and the house's foundations are extended to include the fireplace. However, you can also dig a foundation outside the house. It's crucial to ensure the foundation is deep enough to prevent freezing in winter, which could ruin all your efforts. In terms of lifespan, it ranges around 30 years. Of course, this depends on the quality of the material and construction. A portable grill has the great advantage of being movable to wherever you need it. They are usually metal and do not have a chimney, meaning the smoke will flow directly towards you. They are cheaper, but are only really suitable for grilling. Have you made your choice? Beautiful ideas for brick garden fireplaces. Check out numerous ideas for how your fireplace could look.